Minecraft. A game where you get pets you care about. A game where you name anyone or anything you want. You have a pet. They'll be with you, but not forever. Somehow they will die. They have hearts. They have health. They are not invincible. They may be an NPC, but they have a health. But parrots don't have much health. They only have like 5, 4, 3 hearts. I hit him accidentally. I should have retreated. I should have. But I was too late. Too late to save him. The creeper just blew up and killed him. I want revenge. But the creeper that killed him is dead. Killing others will not make me happy. But I will still do it for the great pirate. I will not give up until I kill every creepers I see, in caves, in the overworld, in the nether, and in the end. I will explore the whole map in Minecraft, just to find those creepers and end them. I will put an end to them, and nobody is gonna stop me. 100 creepers, that's our goal. We kill them, and it's over. We are a Minecrafter, and we will do anything to revive the pirate. But there's nothing we can do. If I could, I would give that parrot my only totem of undying. But I can't, because you can't give them things. I will give anything to bring that parrot back, but there's nothing. There's nothing I can give him. I will end the creepers. It won't make me happy, but it will avenge the parrot. It's time I put an end to the creepers and everyone's suffering.
How many nights do you lie awake in the darkest place? How many days do you shed the pain of your dark